Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Dr. Amit's Competitive Classes, and today the topic I have taken is a poem for class 11 from Hornbill book. The name of the poem is Laburnum Top and the poet is Ted Hughes. Dear children, before going ahead, I would like to tell you all that you must watch my videos completely and to the end, as it is for your benefit. And I am making videos for the students of 11 as their classes have started late and their examination is at hand. So this is my honest effort to extend my sincere cooperation to them in understanding each chapter in a very clear. My purpose is to clear the concept. Dear children, आज का जो पोयम है लेबरनम टॉप, ये दिखलाता है कि हम लोग आपस में एक दूसरे पे निर्भर करते हैं. It shows mutual benefit, mutual dependence. The poet is Ted Hughes. He is a British poet. Ted Hughes is a British poet. He is a translator, writer of children's story, poet laureate. He was till his death. The poem in discussion is one of his best work of art. Laburnum top. The first thing to be understood, what is laburnum tree? It's a small tree with hanging branches. एक छोटा सा ट्री होता है जिसके ब्रांचेज हैंगिंग होते हैं. हैंगिंग मतलब झुके हुए. और क्या है भाई, इसके सीड्स जो होते हैं वो पॉइजनस होते हैं. ट्राई बस फर्स्ट पॉइजनस ट्री. तो भाई पॉइजनस ट्री है तो गोल्ड फिंच, इस ट्री पे गोल्ड फिंच एक बर्ड है जी जिसने अपना नेस्ट बनाया. व्हाट्स द पर्पस? व्हाई हैज गोल्ड फिंच हैज सेलेक्टेड दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्री? मदर, she is a mother of chicks, young ones. She knows that other birds will not come here, because it's a poisonous, its seeds are poisonous, nobody will like it to come to eat it. This is the first thing. Second thing is that it's a secure place and she has searched a secure, एक सुरक्षित स्थान खोजा अपने बच्चों के. And laburnum tree, it's mid-September, so autumn season is in process. Autumn season आप लोग सब जानते हो. Autumn season is the time when trees shed their leaves. पेड़ों से पत्ते गिरते हैं जी. There is the trees, the leaves start yellowing. So it's in the autumn season it is happening. So most of the leaves of the laburnum have come down. Seeds have also come down. And whatever leaves are left, they are yellowing. वो भी पीला हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट क्या है भाई? द पोएम स्टार्ट्स विथ, पोएम शुरू होता है, हम लोग देखते हैं क्या कि द ट्री इज साइलेंट मोशनलेस. ट्री क्या है? साइलेंट है, मोशनलेस. देयर इज नो मोशन, देयर इज डेथ लाइक सिचुएशन. There is no excitement, there is no beauty, there is no pleasure, there is no sense of energy in the tree. But a sudden movement starts. What does it mean? That just as goldfinch comes, mother has come to feed her young ones. गोल्डफिंच का उस पर जो है अपना नेस्ट है, अपने बच्चों को खिलाने आई है. mother instinct. She has come to feed her young ones. As she comes, there is sudden startlement, abrupt startlement, surprise. Surprise is there. It moves. It is very abrupt, very cautious, both careful, very cautious. She moves like lizard. Lizard जैसा मूव करे. Smooth. कहा भाई थिकनेस सॉफ्ट. थिकनेस में क्या है? उसके यंग वंस हैं. जाती है अपने बच्चों को खिलाती है. And while she is feeding, the whole tree comes to life. Young ones flap wings, their tremors of wings. Treelings, they make confused sound. They are making sound. The whole tree appears to be the whole tree appears to be full of life, and the bird appears to be innocent. So the poet says that mutual benefit. What happened that goldfinch ने ट्री को ब्यूटी दिया, लाइवलीनेस दिया, लाइफ दिया, एनर्जी दी. And further we find that tree has given shelter. So हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या देखते हैं? Mutual benefit. इस संसार में क्या है? We are not complete if taken separately. We are dependent on each other. The world moves in this way. Here we find that by this small poem, Ted Hughes, who is the very leading poet of his time, has tried, उन्हें शो किया है कि जीवन में आपसी कॉपरेशन, आपसी एक दूसरे के प्रति जो हमारा सहयोग की भावना है, हाउ मच इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज. Tree has given shelter, and the bird has given beauty, energy, liveliness, life to the tree. So in the poem we find what the first stanza, second stanza and third stanza, 3 stanzas में divided है poem. फर्स्ट हम देख रहे हैं क्या भाई? देयर इज साइलेंस, मोशनलेस, नो मूवमेंट इन द ट्री. Trees are leaves are yellowing. Leaves are yellowing. There is barrenness, a sense of barrenness. But what happened? Goldfinch comes, life is restored. This is sudden startlement in the poem. And after feeding young ones, the goldfinch moves to the branch end and flirts, and it flies away, launches away to infinite sky. Again the tree subsides to emptiness. Again the tree becomes empty. So here the poet has said that the tree, that goldfinch comes and brought about life in the whole tree. The poet has said, given that in this poem the poet talks about the mutual relationship between a laburnum tree and a goldfinch, which has built its nest in it. The main theme is cooperation to each other. The tree which is still, motionless, silent, comes to life with the arrival of goldfinch. The poet has used here some figure of speeches. These are important from the examination of point of view. Alliteration use किया, आप जानते हो alliteration, September sunlight repetition of S. बच्चों की याद रखना, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होना मस्ट है. सिर्फ रिपीटेशन ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट पे मत जाना. अगर हम लोग कहते हैं ऑनेस्ट, हार्ड वर्क, इट इज नॉट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अलिट्रेशन। ऑनेस्ट में आप देख रहे हो एच जो है आपका साइलेंट है, एच का साउंड आएगा तभी अलिट्रेशन होगा। यू कैन से हैप्पी हस्बैंड, इट इज अलिट्रेशन, एच साउंड। नेक्स्ट ट्री ट्रेम्बल्स, सिमिली स्लिक एज लिजर्ड, स्लिक एज स्मूथ एज लिजर्ड। Metaphor, engine starts. Engine starts what? Goldfinch proves to be engine. Engine starts when the whole tree, there is a movement, there is a tremor of wings, there is trilling, there is twitching, chittering, movement words. Movement, sounds, there is a movement word and sound word. Movement words, we can use here movement words. What? Slick, enters, launches away. These are the movement words. Sound word, what is the sound word? Sound word we can say here chittering, chirping, trillings. These are the sound words. So here the poet has used metaphor, engine, the personification, the tree moves, there is a personification. ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट, ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट के बारे में मैंने आपके प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था। इस फिगर ऑफ स्पीच में क्या होता है कि ट्रांसफर ऑफ क्वालिटी हो जाती है। जैसा कि अगर हम बोलें आपको कि दैट मैन हैज अ स्लीपलेस नाइट, वही इंसान स्लीपलेस नाइट लिया भाई। स्लीपलेस, यहाँ पर स्लीपलेस कौन? वो आदमी स्लीपलेस था, नाइट नहीं था। तो वह कह रहा है कि आई हैड अ स्लीपलेस नाइट। इट इज व्हाट ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट। वी स्लेप्ट अंडर द ग्रेटफुल शैडो ऑफ ट्री। तो शैडो ऑफ द ट्री इज नॉट ग्रेटफुल, रादर द मैन हु स्लेप्ट अंडर द ट्री इज ग्रेटफुल। दिस इज द थिंग चिल्ड्रन। सो हियर वी फाइंड दैट द पोएट हैज यूज्ड हियर बार्ड फेस। गोल्डफिंच का फेस जो मास्क फेस, स्ट्राइप्स होता है, मास्क नहीं कहें, स्ट्राइप्स होता है। स्ट्राइप्स जो है appears to be mask, appears to be, it is the identity mark है गोल्डफिंच का। गोल्डफिंच को पहचाना जाता है बार्ड फेस से, दैट इज द आइडेंटिटी। आई होप आप लोग इस पोएम को समझे होंगे अच्छी तरह से। एंड फर्दर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, 3 स्टेंजास आप उसको देखिएगा। फर्स्ट स्टेंजा गोल्डफिंच, लेबरनम टॉप, साइलेंट स्टिल। फिर अगेन सिचुएशन चेंजेस। इन सेकेंड स्टेंजा देयर इज लाइफ, देयर इज ब्यूटी, देयर इज एनर्जी, है ना। इंजन स्टार्ट्स, engine starts means what? A great activity is in the tree. A startlement is there, sudden surprise, movement word, movement words. Poet has used here movement words. Launches away, flirt, slick. Sound use किया poet, sound words, selection of words, thrilling, twitching, chirping. These are the tremors. Tremors means what? Flapping of wings, the sound of tremor. So in the third stanza, what happened? After feeding young ones, goldfinch again moves where? Flies away to the, in search of food, to the infinite sky. Again the tree comes to what? Emptiness. The same with our life. Same with our life, that we have a responsibility to perform, and here we find that we are mutually dependent. So the poem underlines the theme of mutual benefit. Dear children, इस पूरे वीडियो को आप जरूर देखिए, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। If you have not subscribed or subscribe my channel, please consider subscribing it. And further I would like to mention that don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload my video you may have the notification of this uploading. I hope you will be highly benefited by watching this video of mine. Thank you.